they got to know me,
Yeah.
you know. So,
But see, Jen's the quiet. She's
Yeah.
the quiet one. And our talking doesn't mess up.
No, it's okay.
I'll just put music on
Okay. You know, she's quiet, and then, but he was kind of the type that knows everyone and talks to everyone.
Yeah.
And,
this would be like a blow dryer to dry my hair.
there you go.
I mean, at home, that's how we can hand wash stuff and hang it, and it's dry. Like, we'll do it at night, and it'll be dry in the morning.
Yeah.
Those things are so dry.
Jen can do that too.
But here, it's like, everything's still wet.
Yeah, things don't.
Took 2 days to dry my shoes.
Yeah.
Shoes always got so.
Well, you put them right by the air conditioner. Dry a little quicker.
Oh, but anyway. How's Jen doing?
Oh, I think she's doing good. She's busy, so that's a good thing.
There's an animation resort, right?
Yeah.
Here it is. That would be kind of fun.
That's part of animation. I mean, we can walk over.
Well, Mom was saying that we should go to the hotels. I said, well, we'd almost just need a day to do that. So you give up a park, because if you want to go see the hotels, there's nothing like really quick you can just go see. You've got to.
No.
Although this would help because you could get off at their stops.
Yeah, we could do
But-
all of the Skyliner
I mean,
hotels.
if we saw everything at Animal Kingdom and decided we didn't want to do it, the last day we do hotels.
Hotels, yeah.
But, you know, it's it'd be fun to see them, but you know, you just don't have time.
No, I mean, you guys are here a very short length of time.
Yeah.
I mean, Mike and I, our last couple of trips, we come for like 10 days, so.
Yeah, you probably need that, but I couldn't really be away that long.
No.
Since I'm taking a chance being away this long, but.
it. Well, we couldn't even be away from my work that long either.
Well, yeah,
Danielle is being good. She's helping with that. It's a case.
is he being a case today?
Oh, kind of restless today for work, but yesterday. Danielle, her mom said that Danielle just kind of goes with it, you know, like, he's just all lost. But, that's the way it is.
Well, yeah, you can't argue with him or fight with him about it because he's not cognitive
No.
enough that he can understand.
He
So.
just does weird. It's just when we get off here.
Yeah.
Welcome everyone, please watch your step, reservation the cabin.
For your safety, please remain seated, supervise children, and report for smoking in the cabins. Thank you.
Good morning,
For assistance,
Good, give me yours for 6. Yeah, that's one of them we're going to be. And number 78, please watch your sit. And remain seated in the point. Have a wonderful day. You're welcome.
That was all the way to kill myself. Why?
Well, I want to do video.
Here, Ben, you trade me crazy.
Okay.
Three of us there, two there.
Yeah. Well, I'm facing you now.
Where do you want to sit?
I don't know. I had a good system last time.
You want to sit here? I'll move. I don't care. I just think it's weird to leave Cindy all by herself on one bench.
But both the same.
There's something wrong.
What were we doing last time? I can't remember. Yeah.
Don't think there's something wrong. All three of us and Cindy's in here. I'm like, what's wrong?
I don't know. I can't film it.
Tell me where you want me to move.
Well,
You want to sit where Cindy is?
I don't know. We had a good system
Here,
before.
sit where I'm sitting.
Straight with Cindy.
Well, I have to face that way though.
Oh my goodness.
Welcome aboard, Islanders. You are on the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. We're flying to Disney's Riviera Resort with continuing flights to Epcot. Hold on to your straw hats. We are about to enter the heart of the
Now, what one is
Caribbean.
this one?
This is the Caribbean Beach.
We are now sailing over Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort, home to a collection of tropical villages inspired by the colorful architecture and lifestyle of the Caribbean
Yeah, I
islands.
was just gonna say, Dad just does weird stuff like when he's eating. I mean, he ate dog cookies the other day.
I don't know.
He went and opened up the container. You know, I was talking to Mom or showing her something on the computer, and I saw him playing with it, but I didn't think
In
anything
just
of
a
it. Next thing I knew,
minute,
it was
we will be
eating them.
arriving at Disney's Riviera
Or he'll,
Resort,
like,
a Disney Vacation Club resort
don't know.
that
He'll take
celebrates
all
the
his food and put it
relaxing
in his
seaports
coffee.
and romantic vistas
Or
of Europe's
his
Mediterranean
napkins, he'll
coast.
put it in his cup. I mean, he just does weird stuff. He plays with his food. And like yesterday, Mom said he was sitting there and he had a, I don't know what it was, his spoon or silverware, and he was rolling it up and down in a
Ladies and
magazine.
gentlemen,
trying
welcome
to
to
roll it up.
Disney's Riviera Resort. If this is your final
And he was like,
destination,
oh, you're trying
please
to make
prepare to
a case
disembark.
for it?
If you are traveling to Epcot today, please
So she
remain
goes with
seated.
him, whatever he's doing, you know, she just goes with it.
Please remain seated until the doors
It's just
automatically
sad. It's like the
When
morning
exiting the cabin, please supervise children,
But
collect
what
your
bothers
belongings,
Mom
and watch your
is
step.
agitated.
Thank you for flying with us.
And he can't,
Por
like,
favor,
just sit still. It's
permanezcan
like everywhere,
sentados
getting
hasta
in
que las
everything,
puertas
taking
se
everything
abran
down.
automáticamente. Al salir de la cabina, por favor, cuide sus requisitos, reúna sus
You
pertenencias
alright?
y salga con cuidado. Gracias por volar con nosotros.
Please remain seated. Supervise children and return slowly into the cabins. Thank you. Para assist the
Well, I figured I wouldn't have a chance to wash it tomorrow, so.
What time does the park open tomorrow?
It's 9 to 5.
Okay.
But I don't have to go. I just figure I don't want to kill herself. We don't want to get sick. I know Ben was just so worn out. I was worn out. Like, we don't want to get sick, so we gotta take it easy. Especially if we have 2 days. That was so weird with Magic Kingdom. I canceled it when we were on here. And then I thought, well, I'll just now I'll go in and switch, you know. And so I did switch. I put Epcot, but then I went to make the one for Magic Kingdom, and it just kept telling me no places were available. Although, if you look at the map, it showed it was available. So I called, spent an hour on the phone, and the guy just basically told me it was full. But apparently, I mean, I made those 2 weeks ago, or whenever I started planning, I made those reservations. So now I've learned with the reservations for future, especially with the popular ones, you just have to make it way out and don't change it. I had no idea. But it doesn't look like Animal Kingdom or Epcot usually. They're not going to pop.
Those you can pick up.
Hollywood Studios or Magic. So I should have never canceled it.
I think you can pick those up there, but
I'm not like I'm not stressed. I think I'm going to
joining us.
Right.
We are on our way
In
to
fact,
Epcot.
some things are better at our park, like the Pirates. are
Ladies
better
and
at
gentlemen,
Yeah.
we invite you to sit back,
I mean,
relax,
Pirates is
and
all
enjoy
rollable
the most
together.
magical flight on Earth.
And then like we have Indiana Jones, the ride, we're still on that. So provided we get to open the park at some point, I guess all the mayors now are after him, and they actually, they took him to court, somebody did, and what did they say, Ben, that he was exceeding his,
You said he's overextending
overextending
his
his
power
authority.
or authority.
So, put him to stop for that, because he thinks he's God over California or something. Sure.
Well, I think if Trump wins the election, I think there'll be more pressure on him.
We are now
Maybe
traveling
Disney learned
along
something
Buena Vista
because
Drive.
they were all
This
for
roadway
him
and the city of Lake Buena
all
Vista
Democrats.
were
Maybe
established
they
in
learned something from this.
1969 when Walt Disney World Resort
Their
was
stupid
first being
party
developed.
support.
They are both named after Buena Vista Street
Because they
in
were,
Burbank,
like
California,
Mom- or
where the
Ben
Walt
said, the
Disney
very
Company
people that elected
headquarters
him
are still located
were
today.
excited. They're just hurting them the most. So.
It's ridiculous because judging by what they're doing here, which is much bigger,
Yeah.
they're handling it.
Yeah, in Disneyland, I didn't see the hand wash stations here. I just saw a lot of hand sanitizer.
I think
but-
they
I saw
have-
some.
Did you? The hand wash?
Yeah, actually, I did see a couple.
But anyway, I'm just saying that they're doing all that stuff. I feel safer here than I do going to Costco.
Yeah.
And in California, saying you can't wait indoors for a ride is dumb because the rides have a long queue that's deep inside.
Well, we did for that Mexican one, they could do that. It was kind of weird, but they could certainly do that. Put little plexiglass.
Right, they can do that.
They're already doing
Pack your
everything
passports.
properly at
We are on our
Universal,
way to
SeaWorld, and
Epcot.
I think they
International
have
Gateway.
in some cases.
When we
I feel
arrive,
that they were
remember to
putting
use
plexiglass
your
up at Disney.
My Disney Experience
But-
mobile app or visit a
There's
Fast
really
Pass Plus
just no
kiosk
reason-
to review your worldly
I
itinerary
don't
for
know,
the day.
But, yeah.
Because
So-
the rate where he wants theme parks to open isn't going to happen for years.
I know. And
Even
that's what
after
everybody's
the
saying.
vaccine,
They're just like, there's no way. You need to.
he needs
They
to
need to
like
get rid of
he
it.
needs to let up on that because that just, I mean, that shuts down all the theme parks
Yeah.
for literally years.
Yeah, you need to get rid of them.
And that just can't, the economies can't handle that. I mean, here Disney is actually being more cautious than the governor would allow. The governor actually would allow more people in the park, but Disney
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, in just a
self-funding,
few moments, we
which
will
to
be
me
taking a
proves
scenic
that
spin
even
around
more
the
that
Skyliner train
Disneyland should be
station.
able to open.
Please remain
Yeah.
seated.
Disney is
This
being
station was
responsible.
designed for turning only.
No. So, yeah, it's frustrating. And it's not just Disney, it's Universal and it's SeaWorld and it's Legoland and Knott's and
Yeah.
they all need to get going. I saw a job listing for Legoland here, but they only pay $9 an hour.
That's the problem. I make just about $20 an hour where I'm at, working for Disney.
Well, I don't know what they pay. I think they're
You probably pay the top of what?
Universal. Their starting pay is around 15 for starting.
It's all relative here because I think things are cheaper here, but so
There's no state
the
sales tax here.
wages are lower but the cost of living is lower. So it all
Coming into
is
view
relative.
is
Our cost of
Disney
living is
Boardwalk
higher,
Inn
so
Right,
and
wages
Disney
are
Boardwalk
higher.
Village.
You could
It's all
probably
relative.
Elegant
Sales
dining
taxes
and
over
magical
here.
lounges,
you
lively
could probably
entertainment
make
just off the
$15
shores
an
of
hour,
Crescent
and
Lake.
it's
This
similar
charming seaside resort relives the golden era of Atlantic
Come on
beach
and
town
off and on
and
and
turn of
off.
the
But I
century
think that
amusement
job
park.
that I saw at
And
Legoland
boardwalk.
was not like, it wasn't a job like what you had. It was
No.
just some,
Yeah.
just a very low level job.
I know with Disney, I can't imagine them, because they're laying off so many people, that they'd be hiring, because they're letting people go. It's really sad. But most of the people they're letting go is the entertainment. The hotels are just
Union
starting to
worker?
open
Were
up.
you a union worker?
No.
If you are planning to visit World Showcase
No,
today,
I'm not
now
union.
might be a good time to practice your hola, ni hao, and konnichiwa. When you arrive at each nation's pavilion, cultural hosts will be waiting to greet you in their native language, helping
Right
make your
now, it's
visit to
still
Epcot a truly international exchange.
You know, it's people. Well, there are people that come from California that are sad because they can't go
Over
to
here's the
Disney.
Yeah.
Ratatouille ride.
But like Jared, he said he'd love to come, but he can't.
Yeah.
Paris at Epcot.
No.
Paris.
Well, if he ever does get to come here, if you can't come, let him give him our number.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now arriving at Epcot. This concludes your journey aboard the Disney Skyliner. All passengers must disembark at this station.
That's the-
Return
yeah,
service
so
is
this thing
available.
they're not getting,
Thank you. We hope you enjoyed the most magical flight
they're not
on
getting
Earth.
That's where the Ratatouille ride is on that side.
Yeah, it's right now it's blocked off. You can't go back
No,
there.
but you could see all the stuff on
Please
there.
Yeah,
remain
from the
seated until the
Skyliner,
doors
you can see
automatically
all-
open.
it's gonna be
When
nice.
exiting the cabin,
They're gonna add
please
some more
supervise children, collect your
shops
belongings,
and food
and
back
watch
there,
your
too.
steps. Thank you for flying with us. Por favor, permanezcan sentados hasta que las puertas se
So
abran
Pam, did you want to go
automáticamente.
in
Al
and
salir
then
de
go
la
catch
cabina,
that boat?
por favor,
Oh, sure.
cuide sus pequeñitos.
So I guess we'll do it.
Reúna
Okay,
sus
we'll go catch a
pertenencias
friendship
y
boat.
salga con cuidado.
Across the bay.
Gracias por volar con nosotros.
Thank you.
See if they got any new dresses here, man.
What?
I get 50% off.
Yeah.